Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Sit-ups versus crunches. Which is better for a cross-training? When it comes to core workouts, sit-ups and crunches often take the spotlight. But which one should you prioritize for effective cross-training? Sit-ups engage a wider range of muscles, making them ideal for overall core strength and endurance. On the other hand, crunches target specific abdominal muscles, perfect for sculpting and defining your midsection. Looking to take your home workouts to the next level? I've got you covered with some amazing gear. Check the description below for links to my top recommendations, including the best HIIT workout mat, a comprehensive home workout guide, essential home gym workout equipment, effective push-up equipment, and a reliable body fat measurement device. These products have made a huge difference in my fitness journey, and I'm sure they'll help you too. Click the links in the description and start transforming your workouts today. Let's continue to main topic. Incorporating both into your routine can provide a balanced approach, enhancing stability and power in your workouts. Whether you're aiming for a stronger core or working towards a more defined midsection, understanding the benefits of each exercise can help you tailor your fitness regimen for optimal results. Remember, consistency and variety are key in any training program. By alternating between sit-ups and crunches, you not only challenge different muscle groups, but also keep your workouts engaging and effective. Join me in exploring more fitness insights by subscribing to my channel and hitting that like button. Together, let's elevate our fitness journey with informed choices and dedication to a healthier lifestyle.